Hey, this is Alicia with Passion Party by Alicia. First and foremost, I would like to thank everybody who participated in my Cupcakes and Cocktails challenge, or drawing, I should say. I'm actually about to do the drawing now, so I can post it for everybody to see. I've got all my ballots. And let's see. The winner is Angela Turner. You posted in the Cumberland County Side Jobs page, and I will make sure to post this and tag you in it and then message you, which it might go into your other page. But thanks so much. Bye, guys.